From simple levers and hand winches to steam-powered giants, the history of construction machinery marks humanity's perpetual drive to move Earth. The early industrial era in Britain introduced steam shovels and locomotives that reshaped ports and rail hubs, accelerating urban growth. In the United States, hydraulic excavators and crane ships rebuilt coastlines after hurricanes, while Japan pioneered compact equipment for post-war rebuilding. China and Europe deployed massive tunnel borers and gantry cranes, turning ambitious projects like metro systems and long-span bridges into realities. Across the world, the cultural significance emerged in labor shifts, safety standards, and smart systems that expand what cities can become.